Greetings and salutations. Well, here to look at the show, at the, like Legacy, or the show Harvey Birdman.
Who is the cat with the beak? Do you really want to feel him? Harvey attorney, habeas corpus, Harvey attorney!
Attorney at Law, a show that, in a way, was kind of forgotten. The show is a spin-off of the show Space Ghost Coast to Coast. The story revolves around Harvey Birdman, originally a superhero from Birdman and the Galaxy Trio. I did not know that. I don't even, Harvey, Birdman, the Galaxy, and what was it, Space Ghost? That is very old school.
What's on that raft over there? Quick, Avenger! Those sharks are attacking the boy!
That is very old, yeah. I wasn't even born then. And basically the show was, involved Harvey as his new career as an attorney, defending characters who had initially been featured in past Hanna Barbera cartoons. And you're probably thinking, well, sometimes you might have a court case, suddenly you might have Boo Boo Bear, suddenly on the trial.
Would you consider yourself a revolutionary?
Well, no, but I do believe corporations rob us of our dignity and independence, and that these systems must be ripped down, burnt down, or leveled by any force necessary. But that's just one little bear's opinion.
And yeah, that was an idea, a defense attorney who is willing to help out fellow cartoon characters, this is Warner Brothers, Warner Brothers and Adult Swim's decide, hey, we remember these characters, but wouldn't it be funny if we put them into modern day and also have it a bit more adult in a way, but not when it usually comes to Adult Swim. The pilot first aired on a sneak peek on Cartoon Network on December 30th, 2000, and it eventually premiered on September 2nd, 2001. And also had a special entitled Harvey Birdman, Attorney General, and a spin-off Bird Girl. And some of the voice actors in this show include Gary Cole as Harvey Birdman, Judge Hiram Meyer, Stephen Colbert as Phil Ken Shibin, Myron Reducto, Thomas Michael Allen as Peanut, and Badgett Brewster as Judge Kenny Shibin and Bird Girl. I gotta say, I feel this is a show that I would really be getting into.
Isn't it true that the reason you left the Super Friends is because you were fired? Fired? Fired! Why?
They said it was some sort of budget thing. But I think it's because I complained that they're always pairing me up with a white super friend. Like I was gonna start super looting the minute they weren't watching. And you think I'd name myself Black Vulcan? Hell no. I used to go by Super Volt. Black Vulcan was Aquaman's idea. And I said, well, maybe we should just call you Whitefish.
In that the show has a lot of moments that are just I never thought of a show in which Fred Flintstone, or heck, even another Hanna Barbera character is on a trial, and that this is not something you normally think of when it comes to a classic Hanna Barbera cartoon. Yeah, then again, this would also in a way get you viewers interested in some of these classic characters. Hey, you remember Wally Gator?
It really looked much better if I took that tape off. Can I trust you?
Court will come to order. Mr. Bumnuts, proceed. Thank you, Your Honor.
Because he appears in the show, and yeah, I kind of feel this would be a pretty cool idea. What if there was an episode involving, or as a concept, they decide like have like an episode involving like say, okay, let's have it, you know, like a new one involving like say the Teen Titans Go characters or something like that. You know, that would be pretty cool, honestly. And yeah, I think the idea of like, you know, a comedy show involving like an attorney general or something like that, and you're just trying to like take the piss out of it, and like not wanting to take it, but you're not taking it serious. Like say, this is how the law works. This is how things should be.
And before you answer this next question, I'll remind you that you swore on a Bible to tell the truth here today. So tell us, and God, where the song Lovely, Lovely came from. He'd like to know.
We don't know.
Nothing further.
In a way. And yeah. But then again, like Legal Eagle, he also did like an episode of like, how accurate is this in a way? And apparently there was even an episode in which they have the characters from Johnny Quest, who when it's revealed that one of the characters is actually a robot.
Damn good explanation for this.
I do, Your Honor. A few months ago, during the adventure of the sunken safe deposit box, Race mysteriously became left-handed, and his shoes suddenly had laces when, up till then, they'd always been slip-ons. See, the bartender that gave Race a drugged frozen lime daiquiri during the House of Tasteful Men was the same man who Judge later dinged your Lexus and drove off without exchanging insurance information. This man created a robot, Race Bannon, and programmed it to get the boys. And that man, Your Honor,
Is in this very courtroom.
And yeah, I'm gonna say this is pretty cool. And oh, you remember how like say when we was all in high school and all that, we always felt like, oh, Shaggy and Scooby, potheads. This is where it came from.
Such as?
5-6 pizza boxes, eye drops, some clips.
You mean this young lady's hairpins? You'll have to do better than that, officer.
There was this incense. Jamaican love.
And I might add, if we were to arrest everyone who's in possession of this product, there'd be a heck of a lot fewer people Jamaican love tonight.
I could be totally wrong, but then again, they were always having the munchies. But do you remember Harvey Birdman? I bet you probably do. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, I'm also feeling it'd be pretty cool to watch, like, say, Bird Girl 2. This just seems like it's like it would be like a lot of fun to, you know, in a way. But see you next time.